Hello guys, in the last lecture I have shown you how to promote your affiliate product to your Facebook page, and now I will show you how to promote your affiliate products on another Facebook groups. Okay, let's do this. This is my website and these are the products. Okay, first of all, what you have to do that you have to find that what type of product you are promoting. And look, urgent writers needed. More writing jobs than we can fill. This is a job product. And now I have to find the groups about job. Okay. We have to find groups. You have to join all these groups. And then you have to promote your product on this group. Okay. For promoting these products to another Facebook group, you have to take another website support, and this is @this.com. What will happen if you take support from here? Look, I have share button here. In the WordPress, you cannot make this type of share button. For this reason, you must take support from there. Okay, now how to promote this product to another Facebook group? Now we have to promote this product to another Facebook group. Okay, there is the option. Look, I am sharing in a group. Job vacancies in here. Okay, now post to Facebook. Okay, this group does not support. Okay, we have to find another group. Work at home online jobs. Okay, now check it. Work at you have one post pending approval. Okay, now check it. Look, here is our post. When admin will approve our post, then it will be live. Okay, thanks for watching my video.